the Foreign Minister of Czech Republic for organizing this meeting of Foreign Ministers of SCO member states. I would also like to pay tribute to the vision of His Excellency, the Czech President, whose steadfast commitment to the Central Asian cooperation has been a defining contribution to SCO's development and progress. As a founder member of the Shanghai Five and subsequently the SCO, Kyrgyzstan has been instrumental in anchoring the Shanghai spirit within the heart of Central Asia and beyond in the larger SCO family. Kyrgyzstan's leadership role remains a cornerstone of our collective security architecture. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, since its establishment in 2001, the SCO has become an anchor for regional cooperation, driving vital progress in peace, security, stability, and economic connectivity, while also simultaneously fostering deep cultural exchanges among member states. While celebrating its 25th anniversary, we underscore the enduring strength of the Shanghai spirit. This foundational philosophy continues to guide our collective efforts through mutual trust, equality, cultural respect, shared growth, and constructive diplomacy. The SCO's achievements over the last quarter of a century are indeed remarkable. It has successfully transitioned from a security-centric Shanghai Five to a comprehensive entity that integrates security, economy, development, culture, and peace, among others. On the economic front, we have seen trade volumes among members growing many folds. Our collaborative framework has been vital in combating the three evils of terrorism, separatism, and extremism. We deeply appreciate the role of SCO in promoting respect for international law and good neighborliness. Excellencies, looking forward the next 25 years, the SCO must evolve to meet the new emerging challenges. Our vision, encapsulated in the SCO Development Strategy 2035, must focus on digital inclusivity, bridge the technological divide, and ensuring energy security through projects like TAPI pipeline and CASA 1000 regional electricity transmission. We must also advance towards financial integration, including the use of national currencies in mutual payments to build a resilient regional economy independent of external shocks. Excellencies, our region is passing through an eventful time. It has always been and continues to be Pakistan's desire to see a peaceful, stable, regionally integrated and prosperous Afghanistan, which is at peace with itself and its neighbors. This is in the best interest of all SCO member states and beyond. At present, the threat of terrorism emanating from Afghanistan is one of the most serious security challenges for us. Terrorist organizations, including TTP, BLA, ETIM, and similar other affiliates, continue to recruit, train, and operate from Afghan soil under the watch and facilitation of the Afghan Taliban regime. The enabling environment provided to terrorist organizations by the Afghan Taliban regime has been well documented by the UN Analytical Support and Sanctions Monitoring Team. Excellencies, Pakistan has been at the forefront of this terrorist threat. TTP terrorists are undertaking attacks against Pakistan's security forces and civilians using Afghan soil as the base of operations. In this year alone, more than 560 innocent Pakistanis have been martyred in over 2,000 terrorist attacks. It is also deeply concerning that Afghan nationals have been found to be involved in these terrorist incidents. Excellencies, durable peace, Stability and economic development can only be achieved with the eradication of the menace of terrorism emanating from the Afghan soil. We hope that the SCO would call upon the Afghan Taliban regime to honor its counter-terrorism commitments to the international community and fulfill its responsibilities towards global peace and security. Distinguished colleagues, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan firmly believes that dialogue, diplomacy and mutual respect provide the only sustainable way forward to resolve conflicts and achieve durable peace and security. Guided by this conviction, Pakistan facilitated and hosted the Islamabad talks between Iran and the United States on 10th and 11th of April this year, enabling first high-level direct diplomatic contacts between the two sides after 47 years. The diplomatic process thus initiated culminated in the signing of the Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding in June 2026. This historic breakthrough became possible as a result of Pakistan's close engagement with the both parties, US and Iran, complemented by our intensive diplomatic outreach to regional and international partners. Pakistan deeply appreciates the trust and confidence reposed in it by both Iran and the United States in undertaking this challenging responsibility in the larger interests of peace and security. It is our considered view that these outstanding issues can only be resolved through sustained dialogue and diplomacy. The international community must seize the opportunity provided by the Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding and the ongoing technical negotiation between the two parties to push for a permanent, peaceful and durable settlement of this conflict. At the same time, we must remain vigilant against those who seek to undermine regional stability. Such actors will exploit every opportunity to derail the peace process and reverse the progress already achieved. Only by working together, we can achieve this shared objective of long-term peace, stability and prosperity for the region and beyond. Excellencies, Pakistan reaffirms its unwavering commitment to the goals and purposes of SCO. Pakistan's journey with the SCO from an observer in 2005 to attaining full membership in 2017 is a testament to our unwavering commitment to multilateralism. Our vision is to transform the SCO region into one of peace and sustainable development where the right to development is viewed as an integral human right. We view our membership as a strategic partnership for regional transformation. It is exemplified by our successful hosting of the 23rd meeting of the Council of Heads of Government in Islamabad in October 2024. Also, Pakistan currently steers the SCO Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure, SCO RATS, as the chair for 2025-2026, leading joint efforts to secure our digital and physical borders. Excellencies, we look forward to assuming the chairmanship of SCO Council of Heads of State in September this year, inshallah, and hosting the summit in Pakistan in 2027. This is a reflection of your trust and confidence in Pakistan's role regionally and globally. Pakistan will continue to advance a forward-looking and action-oriented agenda aimed at enhancing economic collaboration, promoting regional connectivity, and deepening mutual understanding among our peoples. Dear colleagues, our geostrategic location serves as the natural gateway for Central Asia to the warm waters of the Arabian Sea. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor stands as a model for trans-regional connectivity, unlocking landlocked Central Asian states and efficient access to global markets via Gwadar Port. It is a platform for broader regional integration. Excellencies, as Pakistan looks forward to assuming the chairmanship, we are guided by the conviction that the SCO must deliver tangible dividends to its peoples. We will prioritize a connectivity, trade facilitation, agriculture cooperation, youth development, and people-to-people linkages. We look forward to welcoming all SCO member states of Pakistan for the Council of Heads Summit next year, inshallah. Before concluding, I greatly appreciate the kind words of my very dear friend, Foreign Minister Wang Yi, and other colleagues for encouraging and recognizing Pakistan's humble efforts for peace and stability in the region and beyond. Finally, I reaffirm Pakistan's commitment to the objective of SCO Charter. With strong belief in the potential of SCO, we would continue to work as a reliable and humble partner to transform a region into a space of enduring peace and shared prosperity. I thank you all.
नायब वज़ीर-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद इशाक़ डार शंघाई
इजलास से खिताब किया जा रहा था। उन्होंने कहा कि ये मौका पूरी तंजीम के लिए बाइस फ़ख्र है। इसके साथ साथ उन्होंने कहा कि तंजीम में शामिल ममालिक एक दूसरे की सकाफ़त से हम आहंग होते हैं, इसका मौका मिलता है और पाकिस्तान ने दहशतगर्दी के ख़िलाफ़ हर फोरम पर आवाज़ उठाई है। अफ़गान तालिबान दहशतगर्द ग्रोहों को साजगार माहौल फराहम कर रहे हैं। इस बार पर पाकिस्तान की जानिब से बार बार और हर फोरम पर आवाज़ उठाई गई है। ये भी उनकी जानिब